Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I never thought it was possible before to geek out over a dish drying rack, but I guess that's where I am now. To be fair though, this Dry dish drying rack is super cool. Instead of a fabric or a sponge mat underneath the rack, it has a thin slab of diatomite stone. This is a really lightweight mineral material that has properties that allows it to absorb up to 4 times its weight in water and also to dry very quickly. When I got this, I was so excited to see this in action. Honestly, it is a wonder to behold. As I put my wet dishes in it and the water is dripping on the mat, I can literally see it drying almost immediately. Within a matter of a few minutes, it is totally dry. This for me is a major upgrade to what I was doing before. I basically had a few spongy fabric dish drying mats that would get really soggy, take forever to dry, and I'd constantly be rotating between them. This Dry rack is so much more low maintenance and it keeps my counter really dry. I really love the light gray color of the diatomite stone and the gray color of the rack itself. The rack is really well made and sturdy, and it can hold on to a generous amount of dishes. It fits perfectly onto my counter space and it blends in seamlessly with my kitchen. In my opinion, this Dry dish drying rack is just another one of those genius, really practical things that's helping me to keep my life together. And that's my point of view.